Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you a small unboxing, and this time is a beautiful BANDEAU from Louis Vuitton. And who don't like the Louis Vuitton BANDEAU? They have beautiful ones. I'm talking about the Monogram Confidential BANDEAU in a light pink. So this is a beautiful one. So I had unboxing right here. I'm gonna open it, and this is what it comes right here. I had this one for a little bit already, but I didn't want to open it yet. I want to do the unboxing, plus I was waiting for another piece. And this is how I'm gonna use this BANDEAU. I bought it specific to use it with the other piece, and of course I'm gonna use another different way that I'm gonna show you guys. Of course, you probably already know, over here they send you the receipt, they send you the return label, and all that good stuff right here. We are gonna go. I have never seen this one in person. I mean, it looks beautiful every time I see online and in other people, but I had never seen it in person. Okay, so it comes with this little tag here. I don't know, I do not want it. Let's take the whole thing off. So okay, this is it. I'm very excited about this one because it was always out of stock on the website. Oh, I actually have the brown one, so this one right here. So you want to check it out, the unboxing, it would be awesome after you finish this one. And if you are new here, welcome. Consider subscribing, because you can find unboxing hauls, product reviews, home decor, and more in this channel wherever I feel like doing whatever moment. Okay, and okay, this is right here, this beauty. Let me see. Let's take it out. Why this paper is a little bit wrinkled? Okay, so pretty. I've been looking for this one so much. I stock the website all the time. I call the customer service, they never have it in the stock. My CA never have it in the stock. He say never right here. Never in the stock. So one day around 12 o'clock in the night, they was in stock for a little bit. I was able to purchase. Then they went out of stock right away, but the day, like 2 days later, they was on stock again. So you just had to keep eyes on it, because they're getting out in stock. So right now, oh, this is the ticker right here. Right now they have everything out of stock except the brown one. They have the brown in stock right now, so just in case. Okay, this is this beauty right here. It is very light color, like very light. I would say it's more for summer. I mean, you really use it wherever you feel like it, but it's definitely more for summer. And this is 47.2 long and 3.1 inches like width, thick. From here to here. It's very long. 100% silk. I love the detail. I love the color. I really want this color. Very light, simple. I actually was looking for one that is pink, but the chain is like gold, very yellow gold or something like that, but it's out of stock. They don't have it anywhere. I can find it anywhere. Yeah, this is very pretty. I think this is from the permanent collection. So they had the black one with white and brown. So they had the brown one, and they had this one. So you can find it. It would be very nice. Okay, so it's right here, and you can use it, guys, however you feel like it. This is very pretty. But stay tuned for the next video because I bought this one only for one purpose. And I'm gonna show you in the next video which one is that, for what. It's very nice. Very, very nice. I love it. Let me see, I learned something like this, to go like this, like this. Let me see if I can pull it out. I did. So yeah, this is very nice. And you can put as a belt too. So it's this one. So you really consider buying one of these, just check the website constantly because you're able to find it right there if you are patient enough, because I see this in the pre-loved market and people buy it right away and it's very pricey there. I don't know why, but yeah, you can find in the website, so just keep looking. I thought the gray color kind of like it was a little bit darker, but it's not. So yeah, so this is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little fast unboxing, quick unboxing, and I hope this was helpful for you. And remember to smile because you are beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Give us thumbs up, leave it down in the comment below what you think about this, if you would like to purchase one of these, or what you think about this one in general. Share this video and have a wonderful day. See you in my next one. Bye.